Hello students, welcome to Gradeup. So let's start with the first question. So this question is very important according to CBT1 examination, and this is taken from the topic analogy. So now you can notice one thing, student, that is we are having a one number which is given in 7,000 and then conversion is in the form of a single digit, which is 8 only. So definitely you have applied some digit addition, subtraction, then converted as 8, right? So if suppose you are applying addition for all the digits, the resultant will not be equal to 8. But if suppose you are solving it in this way, like 7 minus 5 and 8 minus 4 and then multiplying the resultant. So 7 minus 5, that is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8, correct? In the similar way, you will apply the same logic here in this number. The reason behind is why you are applying such kind of mathematical operator in between the digits, because you are converting a number, a very large number, into a smaller one. In that case, it is necessary to apply some digit addition, digit multiplication, and sometime mathematical combination of mathematical operators in between the digits. So applying the same logic, it will be 6 minus 3 multiply by 9 minus 2. So 6 minus 3 is 3 and 9 minus 2, that's 7. 7 multiplied by 3 will give you 21, 21, it's not 31, 21 as the result, which is given in option D. So it's very important topic according to examination point of view. Now this is the next question we are having, which is from the topic mathematical operators, we can say, or sometimes this kind of question are included in missing numbers or number puzzle. So in the first part, student, can you notice one thing, that 25 is the square value we have given, but this 53 is not a square value. So most probably we have not written directly the squares of the resultant we are getting from the number 4 and 9. But to get closer to this, if suppose you are writing the square of the first one, that's 4 square, and adding 9. So 4 square is 16 and addition of 9 will give you 25. Similarly, if you apply the same kind of logic here, it will be 7 square plus 4. So 7 square is 49 and addition of 4 will give you 53, right? Right now you are having 9 into 4. So what you will do, you will write 9 square, that's 81 plus 4, which is equal to 85. And you can notice the answer, that is option C. So it's very simple and easy one. Let's check out the very next question. So this is the question which is taken from the topic blood relation, but coded blood relation is this. So whenever these kind of questions are there in the examination, always notice one thing, student. If you are finding a relation, that means how is P related to R? In that situation, you always need the gender of P. If you are having the gender of P given and the generation difference between P and R given in your question, then only you will have the right answer, otherwise not. So this is what you have. And this multiplication means son, so the first person P will be the male person. So yes, of course, you can establish a relationship because gender we have and generation difference we are having already. So let's convert it in the form of a tree. P cross Q means A cross B means A is the son of B. Here P cross Q means P is the son of Q. So if P is son, P is male, and if P is son of Q with respect to P, you will fix Q one level up. The next we have having is Q minus S. The meaning of minus is A is the wife of B. So right now here Q will be the wife of S. If Q is the wife of S, you will write a double arrow in between Q and S. If Q is wife, definitely S will be the husband, and you will write male over here. Next is S cross R. Cross means son. Who is the son? The first person, A's son. So right now S will be the son of R. So in this family tree, we can relate each and everybody, but we cannot answer any relation which is initiated from R, because you are not having the gender of R. But right now in your question, it is how is P related to R? So you can mark it exactly. P is male person, and with respect to R, it is 2 level down. So 2 level down is grandchildren, and male being grandson will be the perfect answer. If the question is how R is related to P, in this situation you are not having the gender of R, that's the male or the female. So if you are not having the gender of R, R can be grandfather or can be grandmother. So in that situation you will say can't be determined, but right now for your question it is initiating from P and the answer is grandson. This is the next question. So actually a clock is started at noon by 40 minutes past 4. The hour hand has turned through the angle is. You have to find out the angle, right? So what you know that the hour hand for 12 hour the angle will be 360 degree, correct? So 360 degree, it is already, you will subtract something. It's not 1650 student, actually it is 165 degree. And actually this was not the question of yours. You are having some other question. Let me tell you this question first of all, so you have to change the options. So this is the next question which is taken from coding decoding. So we have given MWS is written as this. You have to convert PYX. So first of all, student, the most noticeable point you are having is MWS, which is having length 3, which is a word group of letters of 3 length only, or 3 letters you can say, is converted, and after conversion it is of 6 length, that is EC, BC, AI. So definitely you have converted from 1, right? So 2 letters are there, with respect to 1 there is a conversion. So you will write the place value of the letters, of course. So considering A at position 1 and Z at position number 26, which is the direct place value of the letters, if you fix the place values, M's ranking is 13, rank of W is 23, and the rank of S is 90. Correct? So for A it will be 1, for C it is 3, for B it is 2, for C it is 3, A is 1 and I is 9. So can you notice, a student, you have written the individual place value, I mean the unit and tens place of the individual letter, and with respect you have converted the letter. So for 23, unit place is 3, tens place is 2, with respect you are having the letters B and C. Same you have done for S. So the same thing you will repeat in your question. PYX, so for P it is 16, for Y it is 25, for X it is 24. When you will divide in 2 parts, I mean you will write this separately, then unit and tens place, it will become 162524. So with respect to the numbers, with respect to the letters, you will just write the, with respect to the digits, I will say, you will write the respective letter. So for 1 it is A, for 6 you will write of course E, for 2 it is B, for 5 it is E of course, for 2 it is B, for 4 it is D. So this is F, okay, because E is at 5th place, so you will write F here. So AF, BE, BD will be your right answer. So AF, BE, BD is given in option B. Now let's check out the next question, student. This is question number 6, which is taken from the direction and distance. So whenever you are solving any question of direction and distance, you always move the direction according to the fixed reference plane, which is east, west, north and south. Now let's initiate what we have given. Ria walks 4 km towards the east, then turns to her right and walks 3 meters. So let's initiate. Let's suppose from here Ria starts moving. So towards east, she covered 4 km. Now she is here right now. She turns to her right. Right turn means clockwise direction downward. Covers 3 meters. And then to her left, walks 4 meters, then turning to her right, again downward, walks 3 meters, and again turn to the right, covers 4 meters. In which direction is end point? So this is the ending point and this is the starting point, is the end point from his starting point. So from his starting point, if you check out, this is the direction, right? And this is denoting southeast. So southeast will be the direction. If you can check out, you are having only one option that is denoting, that is having southeast. So most probably B will be the answer. Even you are calculating the shortest distance. So to check out the shortest distance, which is the slant height basically, because S is here, here is E. So this is the slant height, right? So to find out this, you need to form a right angle triangle. So this is the 90 degree, like this, if you can check out. So this is 4, that's why you will write 4 here. This is 3 and this is 3, so this overall will be 6. So this slant height, you can calculate this. You are having base and perpendicular, as 4 and 6, right? So this will be under root of 6 square plus 4 square. So 6 square, that is 36, 4 square, that is equal to 16, right? So you can add it exactly. So after adding the values, you will see that you are having root 52 as the answer, and you can solve it out. It will be 2 root 30. So 13 into 4, that is equal to 52. Direction you have already calculated, so the answer will be 2 root 13 meter, which is 2 root 13 meters southeast. That's option B. So this is the next question. You are having the meanings of some symbol. Plus stand for subtraction, divide indicates multiplication, multiply indicates division, and minus indicates addition. You have to select which equation is correct, which one is correct. So let's check out the very first equation. Equation is 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 10 plus 2 minus 5, that is equal to 33. So anytime you are converting the meaning, LHS should be equal to RHS. So let's convert the meaning. So this multiply stands division. So you will write, for multiplication you will write divide. So it is 6 divided 2. Divide stands for multiplication, and plus indicates subtraction, minus indicates addition. This is what we are having now. So according to BODMAS, you will solve this area. 6 divided by 2, which is 3, into 10, that is equal to 30, minus 2 plus 5. So this is obviously equal to 33. So you can see that option A itself is the right answer. So whenever there are some questions from mathematical operators, you have to solve according to BODMAS only. This is the next question, student, and you can see the question is of number series. Whenever number series questions are there in the examination, you generally find out the difference between the numbers. So you are having 12, then 25, 102, the next is what, and then suddenly 13,108. So it's quite clear and very obvious that instead of thinking about the difference between the numbers, can we solve this question with the help of some multiplication addition combination? Because 12 to 25, it is multiplied by 2 plus 1, correct? 25 to 102, you can multiply it by 4. 25 into 4, that's 100, and addition of 2. So it seems like you have multiplied by 2, then you have multiplied by 4. So maybe the next multiplication you will apply here is of 8 or maybe of 6, correct? But 600 something, you are not having any option. So it is the multiplication of 8, because there can be two things. It is the multiplication of even numbers, so 2, 4, the next will be 6. But 600 something is not given in the option. So next is you are multiplying 4, because 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2 will be 8, of course. So 102 multiplied by 8 plus 3. That will be your answer. So after multiplying it and then addition, you will get 819, which is given in option number D. Let's check out the very next question. So you have given MNO, then TUV, then BCD, and then KLM. You know that it is a cyclical series. Why I am telling you? Let me explain the things. First of all, you will be able to connect with this part. See, M, then N, then O. It is continuous. Then O's ranking is 15. Then you are writing T, U, V again. So 15 to 20 is actually addition of 5. Correct? V plus 5. So it is V, then W, X, Y, Z, and then A and V. So B is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after adding 5, you will get it. So you are adding 6 here. That is 6 addition. Then it is B, C, D. Correct? So from D, if you are adding 5 here, then 6 here, you will add 7 here. D's ranking is of course 4. So 4 plus 7 is 11. With respect, you have written KLM. So you will initiate, you will add 8 here. So M's ranking is 13. Okay. So M's ranking if 13 is 13 plus 8. That is 21. So with respect to 21, the initial letter will be U. And continuously you will write UVW. So UVW you have given in option B. So these kind of questions are solved always with the help of coding decoding methodology. So let's check out the very next question. If G has less teaching experience than H, so this is the comparison of ranking we can say. So G is having less teaching experience than H, and H has less experience than I. I has more experience than L, but not as much as P. That means the experience of I is less than P. This is what we have given. Then who has the maximum teaching experience? This is the question. So you can check out the student. Although the comparison of L with H and G is not given, but I is here, which is common. So the maximum teaching experience you are right now in this question is for P only. So you can select option B. That will be the right answer. Let's check out the very next question. From the given alternative word, select the word which cannot be formed. You have to select that cannot be formed using the letter of the given word. So this is impracticable. If you check out capable, so C is here, A, B, L, E. Yes, it can be formed. This is particle, so P, R, A, T, I, C, L, E. Yes, it can be practical, P, R, A, C, T, I, C, A, L. It is peace. So P you have given, then E, A, C. So E is only once in the given word, but right now in this word peace you are writing P, E twice, so it cannot be formed, and that's why you will select option D as the answer. Let's select the next question. Let's check out the next question solution, because it is the question from a statement conclusion. So you have to convert the statement in the form of Venn diagram. First of all, some boats are buses and all trains are buses. So first is no train is a boat. It will be correct only if there is a complete cross existing between train and boat, because no relation can be denoted with the help of complete cross. If you are denoting with the help of complete cross, you will be analyzed with the help of cross only. So this is doubtful situation. All buses are train. This is wrong. Some buses are boats. Some buses are boats. That's quite clear, is visible. Some trains are boats. You are not having any common area between trains and boats, so you can cancel it out. But student, can you check out that first and fourth are the complementary pair where you are talking about train and boats, right? So if the stranger circle we are having, either there will be something in common or there will be totally opposite, or we can say the different one. So either 1 or 4, 1 will definitely be going to be correct. So your answer will be either 1 or 4 and third. The reason behind selecting either or for 1 and 4 is any circle which is existing in Venn diagram, there should be some relation, either in positive or some negative. So some plus no makes a complementary pair for the same object subject. Okay. Let's check out the next question, number 14. So you have given statement and you have to select the conclusion, the right conclusion. The statement in the statement we have given, the state government imposes a monthly tax on the salary of all the employees. Conclusion number 1 we have given is a regular collection irrespective of the income slab by the central government is the income tax. Second is the central government should not collect any tax on income. Third is income tax should not vary according to the income slabs. Tax should be imposed only once in an individual. So this is the only word we have given. You can cancel it out. Now, a regular collection irrespective of the income slab by the central government is the income tax. So this is not the conclusion. The central government should not collect any tax on income. What you have given is the state government imposes a monthly tax on the salary of all the employees. So it is about state government you have given. So definitely central government should not collect any tax on the income. It is already imposed by the state government. So yes, the answer will be option B, that is the central government should not collect any tax on the income. Let's check out the next one. So you are having in question number 15, this is the information given. To decide exactly, we are having one statement that is followed by argument. You have to select which argument is exactly correct. Okay, which one is the strong argument? First, you have given, should a school in India have only one board of education? Second is yes, it will create uniformity and equality in the education. Second is no, it will reduce chance of either quality education and may affect literacy rate. So this is the question which asked you that should schools in India have only one board of education. This yes or no will not decide that which argument is strong. Yes or no is just a point. The reason you are connecting right? Like it will create uniformity and equality in education. So do you think that will it form in uniformity and equality in education? Second is no, it will reduce chances of either quality education or may affect the literacy rate. So this is definitely wrong. And in fact, first is not as strong. So your answer will be neither argument first nor argument second is strong. You will select option D. See, whenever you are selecting the strong argument, always focus on one point, that the thing you have given in your question, you will always talk about that only. You will not discuss about something which is not mentioned in your question. Correct? So yes or no is just a thing. The reason behind is giving you the exact idea. Because in the first, it is given that it will create uniformity and equality in the education. So basically, which is definitely wrong, which is not connected. So you can cancel it out. And second, obviously, is wrong. So the answer will become neither argument first nor second is strong. Okay. Now, student, this was all about the main important question, right? The first point, student, I wanted to share with you people is that we have already, you all can attend the free mock test for CBT1 examination, right? It will be beneficial for you people. That's RRB JE CBT1. We have given the link in the description box. From there, you can check it out. And also, student, we have launched one course that's Focus RRB JE for CBT2 Mechanical, right? So you can enroll yourself. Admissions will be closed on 31st of May. And the information regarding this is given in the description. You can check out from there. Fine. So we'll see you again. Bye and take care.